Hey everyone, imagine this. No matter what your income is right now, $30,000, $60,000, or even less, staying poor becomes literally impossible if you do one simple thing every single week. I'm not talking about get-rich-quick schemes, lotteries, or waiting for a big raise. This is a boring but powerful habit that millionaires swear by. It's called the weekly money reset. Do it consistently and watch your wealth build on autopilot. Stick around. I'll break it down step by step so you can start this Sunday. Why does one weekly habit change everything? Because wealth isn't built by big heroic moves. It's built by small, repeated actions that compound. Research from financial experts shows that people who escape poverty and build real wealth focus on consistency over perfection. They review their money weekly to spot leaks, adjust habits, and keep momentum. Skip this. Money slips away unnoticed. Impulse buys, forgotten subscriptions, no progress on savings. Do it. You turn every week into a tiny wealth-building machine. Over a year, that's 52 resets stacking up like compound interest on steroids. Here's exactly how to do the weekly money reset. It takes just 20 to 30 minutes every Sunday or your quiet day. Grab your phone, laptop, or notebook. Let's go. Step 1. Check your numbers, 5 minutes. Log into all your accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, investments. Look at what came in last week, paycheck, side hustle. What went out, track every expense. Use your app or bank summary. Ask, did I spend less than I earned? Celebrate wins, spot leaks like that extra coffee run or in used subscription. Step 2. Pay yourself first, 5 minutes. Before anything else, transfer your future you money. Automate if possible, but manually confirm. 10 to 20% to savings/emergency fund. Even $25 to $50 per week adds up fast. Extra to investments, index funds, retirement account. This is the golden rule. Pay yourself before bills are fun. It forces you to live below your means. Step 3. Review and adjust goals, 10 minutes. Look at your big goals: emergency fund, debt payoff, investing. Did you hit last week's mini target? E.g., no eating out, save $50. Tweak for next week. Cut one expense, add a side hustle hour, or increase savings by 1%. Pro tip: track net worth weekly, assets minus debts. Seeing it rise, even $20 feels amazing and keeps you motivated. Step 4. Quick mindset boost, 2 minutes. End with one affirmation. I'm building wealth 1 week at a time. Visualize your future, debt-free, traveling, secure. This reprograms your brain from scarcity to abundance. People who do this weekly, they escape paycheck to paycheck life fast. One guy started with $0 savings. After 52 resets, he had $5,000 plus emergency fund and started investing. Another cut impulse spending by reviewing weekly, saved $3,000 in a year without feeling deprived. It's not magic, it's math. Small weekly wins compound. $50 saved/invested weekly at 7% return? Over 10 years, that's over $30,000. Impossible to stay poor when you're forcing progress every 7 days. So, are you ready to make staying poor impossible? Start your first weekly money reset this Sunday. Set a reminder right now. If this fired you up, smash that like button red heart. Subscribe for more wealth habits, and comment below, I'm starting my reset. Plus what day you'll do it. You've got this. 1 week at a time turns into lifelong wealth. See you in the next one. Subscribe, like, comment your reset day related videos.